It is now July. This project started in February and we are now in July. We did take a teeny tiny break. We kind of ran away after the countertops were installed. Had a little getaway. And so we are back. AJ has been working on finishing up replacing the tile, still laying a little bit of tile to cover the space where the pantry and the two walls were removed. I have painted some trim, so I will show you those things that we have been working on. And also today I decided that I would run away again and go shopping. So I went to Marshall's, Ross, Five Below, and where else did I go? Oh, Michael's. And I think I bought a little bit of something or a lot of stuff at all of those places. So I just wanted to look around and see what they had available, and I bought what I thought might work. And then what I'm about to do here in a moment is try out all the different things we purchased, and then I'm going to return the things that I don't like. So I'm going to place it and see what works. There were some, I have a list, so I will flash the list up on the screen of all the things that we would like to purchase, whether small or big, and I think everything pretty much left is small that we want to purchase. And I guess the bar stools is kind of a big purchase, the window treatments, that's a big purchase, but then just like some small decorative items. The bar stools, I will flash a picture of that up because I found some. I want them to be leather. I like this style that I found. I want to be able to wipe them off if the kids spill something or if anybody spills something. I would love for them to be a mustard color. I did like the, what do you call it, like an aqua color or something, and I liked how next to it was the aqua and the yellow and the white, and I love those colors. So what I'm working on is just developing a color scheme. I am no expert when it comes to decorating. I like to tackle projects that I have no experience with, because it almost is like a little bit of a boost, and it's almost rewarding if you succeed at it. So if I get the house looking like something that I'm proud of, that I'm happy to live in, then I will get a little boost of joy, I guess, for succeeding in that. So this is me just playing with colors, playing with textures, I guess, moving things around. It's also a huge journey for me because I'm quite frugal and I don't like to spend a lot of money. So it's like fun to go shopping and pick things out and stuff, but it's also really hard for me. It is hard to make those purchases, and I'm like a wants needs kind of girl. And I've spent time, like a little bit after we first moved in here, I did do like a wine theme in our dining room, and more of like a coffee theme in our kitchen, and like a movie theme in our family room. And I typically do things all at once, just like right now. I'm going probably for a yellow and blue, like kind of a coastal kind of look. So I'm kind of just changing everything out again. And I will just say that I'm not an expert. This is me just having fun and playing. So when I was looking in, I guess this was in Ross, I found this canvas, this huge canvas, and it just had like paint splattered all over it. And I loved it because it is like so me. It is like I think it's almost like the inner core of me. And I've always had this feeling of like I just want to paint the walls. Like, I don't know, it's a very strange feeling, but it's like I want to express something, I want to release something, and so I just wanted to paint the walls. But I always say, like, I'm not an artist, so I would never be able to do that. I can't pick up paint or anything. So today when I was looking at it, I was like, I love that so much. But first, I don't think it would work in our house. Maybe it would, I don't know. Second, it was $40. And then I'll flash the other one up because then I found another one. I was like, okay, this is a little milder. And then I got to looking at them and I was like, this would be so fun to actually create. And it would be such a therapeutic thing to create this art. And it's summer, it's something fun that I could do with the kids. So I went to Five and Below and I bought I bought some canvases for $2.50 each. I bought paint. I bought 3 packs and paint brushes. So really the paint was altogether like $20 with the brushes because I bought several things. I even bought some glitter because I'm like, oh, a little bit of glitter would be fun. And I'm going to try to keep to our style colors, and we'll create some art. And I think it will be fun for us to create it. And it would be something that's therapeutic and creative and expressive, and we can all do it together, and it'll be a fun summer activity. And if we don't like it, we can put it up for a little while, and then it will be no big deal to take it down and, you know, try something new later. So I just thought, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try this. I've always had the urge to, you know, whatever, that paint the walls kind of thing. So I'm gonna paint the canvases. So that is all I need to chatter about. Now I'm going to show you where we're at. We are so close. We're almost done. You can see behind me, we do not have our backsplash, so we have to work on that soon. We've got to get some samples this week and so forth. But we're almost done, even though I do feel within a house, there's always something. There's always something to do. And so it will always be a journey, but that's okay. So here's just an update of, you know, AJ's work with the tile. Super close. He just laid that tiny little corner piece. He's still working on it. We did have a big patch that wasn't done. And here's the trim. This trim is going to go under the countertop, like over where that window is and over on the other side of the sink. So that's the trim that I've painted. And then over here are the canvases that I bought from Five Below, and there's all kinds of goodies in there. And then I bought a whole bunch of pillows. This lamp is super cool because it has a charger on it. So I like this white. It's kind of like our countertop, and the silver is like our kitchen handles. And then these were from Marshall's, and then you can charge your phone. So I like the white lampshade. However, I'm going back and forth with white and creams. Again, no expert here. I went with some creams. I do have like some yellow blankets that I purchased and some cream pillows, another lamp. So I purchased all of that stuff, but I'm going back and forth with using creams and using whites, because of course we have the white, you know, on our cabinets, on our countertop. And then over here we've got, and these lamps are not that bad, but they have a creamier lampshade. So I was like, do we want to move to a white? So you can see this is kind of how the furniture's looking with the pillows now. We still have messes in here for sure. We are not done yet. And then we have these pillows in here, but I think I want to just switch it up. I think we're going to get a fluffy cream rug in here. Of course, we got that white table. So I'm trying to figure out how to make it work with doing the cream and the white, because we have white here, but we have, you know, our wall color is like a creamier. Has this been painted yet? This has. Yeah.
You see
this is so this was our old color, and then we did a lighter cream color. So we have the cream on the wall, we have the white cabinet. So I'm trying to figure out how to mix all of these colors and be satisfied. So,
and just in case anybody's interested in the color because they like it, the lighter new color we're going with is called Desert Fortress at Lowe's. It's Valspar. The old color was Mesa Tumbleweed or something like that.
Yeah, that sounds right. Okay, so there we have it. And now I'm gonna start laying some decorations out. No, I'm gonna lay the decorations out and see what I want to keep and what I want to take back.
Take these out, split the difference. See, look at that. Not bad. It's not perfect, but it's nobody will notice it, right?
Mm-mm.
Pretty good. I just won't be able to put the spacers in.
Okay, so here's what I've come up with so far. I'm not sure about this center pillow. I think we are going to return the lamps. I like the lamp that I already have. I'm going to show you some different options for this because I'm still not sure about this. And then, so this is what I came up with over here with these pillows, and I'm gonna get some more yellow pillows to put out here. And then I bought this thing. I got this from Five Below, and then I got the stand from Ross because I always like writing quotes. And I used to have a cream whiteboard with our cream kitchen, and I don't want to put too much on the countertops, but I really have missed having that whiteboard to write quotes on. So over here is our Ankomn turn and seal storage containers. They are amazing. You can go check out my review of those. And that's all. It is 11 o'clock at night. We had a birthday party for my son today, and it was small and calm and nice, and I'm very grateful with how it went and everything. But of course, there's always a bit of a mess to clean up after having people over, and so we have just enjoyed the day and then just refer to me as the night cleaner because that's typically when I clean is at night. So, but there's one significant thing that I want to share with you. Of course, this was a big clean that we did before everyone showed up. This is like the cleanest our house has been probably since February, in the midst of all the mess. And I just felt like I needed to document this moment because the Roomba is officially running. You can probably hear it in the background. It is rolling around, which means that we are coming to the completion of this project. It is very exciting that my Roomba can run. Also, these are the choices for our backsplash tile. We have a local business that had this in their showroom, but rumor is it's from Happy Floors. So if you have a Happy Floors near you, you could get your hands on these tiles. We love them. So this is the white shade and this is the pearl shade. And my husband has set it up to kind of show what the grout line will look like. So we are going to go with the white shade. Uh-oh, Roomba got caught on something. I think Roomba's name is Isla. So we're going to go with the white shade. And so what will happen is we will have some white tiles that look like this. And then every 8th tile will have this cool little pattern on it. So we're pretty excited about that. We're gonna lay it like subway tile. And so let's go see what our Roomba got into. This should be interesting. We'll go over here and see what she got caught on. But you can see that she's rolling around and cleaning and doing her job. What could she be caught on? That's never good. Oh, she came over here and had a boo-boo. It's Sunday fun day, and the projects are still continuing around here. So I'm going to show you, today we're working on trim.
Great update. Yeah, trim. Cover the gap under there. It's all painted, nailed. Just caulking. Still got to do this side.
This little piece is done here.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
All the tile is done in the floor.
Uh-huh.
We have a backsplash. So basically we just got trim, grout, backsplash, and some painting to do.
May the adventures that lie ahead bring you joy, growth, and experiences that inspire you to be the best teacher and mom God created you to be. Bye!